Hey everyone, and welcome back to Business Guide. Quick, can you come up with $100? I know most of you have $100 and a lot more. Some of you have that in your couch cushions. But for those who don't, we have tons of awesome ways to make money fast, many of which are online. If you are behind on your bills and are wondering how to make $100 a day online for free, then this video is for you. Best part, you don't have to worry about the initial costs. You'll be able to make $100 a day online and without investment. Any opportunity that promises you'll make fast overnight, run the other direction. The only time we've ever come across cash that quick is finding a $5 bill on the street. We aren't offering get-rich-quick scams. However, if you're looking for a legitimate way to make money online, we've got you covered. We've got money-making ideas for everyone. Today, we're going to be talking about 5 ways to make $100 for free, even as a teenager. Make sure you stay into number 1, as you don't want to miss any of the information stacked up for you. Number 5, ride and home share hustles. Earn money driving with Uber or Lyft. The hourly pay after expenses varies from city to city, but you can expect to make around $10 an hour with this side hustle. In larger cities, it will often be much more, and in smaller towns, sometimes a little less. The appeal of rideshare apps like Uber and Lyft is that you can set your own schedule, and there is no commitment. You can work your regular job and make your $100 in just a few hours on the weekends or some evenings. Rent your apartment out online. Airbnb. If you live in a desirable place, a big city, a charming hamlet, the chances are that someone would like to stay in your home for a few days, and they'll pay you. Right now, a small studio near the United Nations in NYC, so far from the subway, is renting for $175 a night. If you can crash on a friend's couch for just one night, there's your $100 and then some. Or if you got a spare room, rent that out. Number 4, become the entrepreneur of your block. Walk dogs. Everyone likes puppies. Look around for the fat ones in your neighborhood. Those are the ones who have parents too lazy to walk them. But all puppies need and deserve exercise, and you need and deserve $100. Join forces with the fat puppies and profit from being a dog walker. Rover.com is where you'd go to find a ton of in-need dog walker clients. Who knows, your pet sitting side hustle could turn into a small business. Babysit. Forget checking Craigslist for part-time gigs. Parents post jobs on Sitter City for everything for a full-time nanny to the occasional part-time date night sitter. You can apply for the postings, meet the family, and get hired. The average pay for babysitting is a little over $12 an hour. 3. Make money with online surveys. Want to get paid for your opinion? Use a survey site like Survey Junkie. You can share your opinion to help brands deliver better products and services. After you create your profile, they will start matching you to online surveys you can take anywhere, anytime, and on any device. Completed surveys earn virtual points that can be redeemed for PayPal or gift cards. Survey Junkie is great for anyone interested in earning quick cash from their couch. If you have some spare time during your lunch break or commercials, it's a great way to make money fast. Sign up for Survey Junkie and make some fast money online. Most of the online surveys are pretty easy, and you are not required to sign up for other services, so no annoying spam mail. For starters, it's completely free, and you earn 25 points when you create your account. 2. Get free gift cards with Swagbucks, including Amazon. What's better than getting paid to do things you're already doing? Getting paid to drink, I suppose, but getting paid to do something like watch videos, shop, and do searches online is pretty nice too. When you join Swagbucks, you can get cash back when you buy online from more than 1,500 retailers, including places you probably already shop like Amazon, Target, and Starbucks. Earn points for each dollar you spend, and also get special coupons and deals exclusive to their shoppers. You can also earn points when you use their Swagbucks Yahoo search engine, and when you watch special videos Swagbucks has put together. You can redeem your points for gift cards or get cash back through Amazon. Number 1, get paid to shop on Amazon. If you love shopping on Amazon and have a few minutes to spare, you can earn extra cash quickly by using Shop Tracker. Shop Tracker is a shopping website owned by the Harris Poll, a market research company that measures public opinion on brands in the US. Plus, you can get free gift cards for using the site. Shop Tracker will ask you to share your Amazon purchase history, and in return, they will send you a free $3 Visa gift card plus $3 every single month for $36 a year. Ibotta is another great shopping app that will send you money cash back when you do your everyday shopping through their company. They have partnered with major stores like Target and even Amazon. While these are some of the ways you can make money for free, this isn't all inclusive. We didn't talk about Facebook ads, retail arbitrage, membership groups, or a ton of other strategies. If you need to earn money on the side, remember to think about all the different ways you can earn money with the internet. Even if most of these strategies don't sound like much fun to you, chances are good that one of these ideas is perfect for your lifestyle and goals. Start earning money, and we guarantee you won't regret it.